So very first step is to register on GitHub. We search on GitHub, click the link, and register. Sign up with email address, and remember this email address. I jumped that verify part, which is really annoying. Okay, create it, continue, free, just free, continue for free. Okay, now we'll create an account on GitHub and leave this page, just leave it like this, and we search for GitHub desktop now, and click the first link, download for Windows, and after it was downloaded, open it, open the file, GitHub desktop. Okay, just wait a second, let it install. Okay, now choose sign into GitHub, and it will authorize the link. And finish. So now we don't have any repository, and don't worry if you want to cooperate with others. For example, our team, you copy your name. This is your name, so copy your name and send it to me on Discord or by Instagram anyway, so that I know who you are. What's your name, and then I will add you to the repository that we are going to work together. And after I invite you, remember to check your email, the email address which you use to register on the GitHub. You will see an email that I said that I invite you, and open the link, sign in, and sign in again, and then accept the invitation, and now you have the access to our repository. So after you got access to the repository, copy this website link, and then back to the GitHub desktop again, create a repository from the internet, and then choose URL and paste the repository link to here, and then choose a local path to put it. And remember this path because we need to open it through this path. I'll choose GitHub. Clone. After a few seconds, it will clone everything from the GitHub website down to your computer. Now open where you put this repository, the local path you choose just now, and now you will see the repository, and click inside, and then open the SLN file so that you could open the whole project, C++ project with Visual Studio, and you will find the main CPP file and maybe other classes, and do not make change right now. If you want to contribute to this program, at any time, you make a new branch and name it as what change you contribute. Like if I contribute a class class, student class. Create a branch first and publish this branch to GitHub. Okay, now everything is done. Rename your branch into student class branch, the branch which you created, not main. Remember this. And then now you could go and do the contribution. Like now I add a class, and I'm not going to write anything inside now. And save everything you did, and make sure the code runs. The code runs good. Everything runs. And then close it. And GitHub will automatically check what you changed, and then give it a name. Student class created, and then commit to student class. So this step you submitted from local file to GitHub desktop, and then you submit again. You push it to the GitHub website, and now the branch is uploaded to GitHub. You could see it was right here, and if you think, and then you make a new pull request, which is the request to merge what you did to the main program. And now don't change this base branch, just change this compare branch, and choose the branch you contribute, and then create the pull request. You could write some comment here or not, and then create a pull request, and you will see it is blocked. Don't worry, because I need to review it before this request is approved. And now and if I review your code and I think your code is need to modify a little bit, I will tell you on Discord, and you could check the comment on Discord I send you, or the one on the GitHub. You see it's still blocked, and don't worry. If you want to do the change, if you want to change it, you need to open the GitHub desktop again. Remember to refresh it, and then open the program through the local path you stored it, you put it. And now you could make your changes. You can make your changes and test it, and everything goes good. Nothing went wrong. Just close it and do the same process again. You don't need to new branch again this time. This time you don't need a new branch. You just new branch whenever you want to add something. Like add a new function, add a new class, or something like that. And then submit it. And then on the GitHub it will automatically refreshed, and I will receive another message that you updated, and I will review it again.